kids!
Hey, hey, come and play. Let's learn the table of 3 today. Clap your hands, count with me. Learning math is fun, you'll see. 3 ones as a 3, jump up high. 3 twos as 6, touch the sky. 3 threes a 9, clap, clap, clap. 3 fours a 12, sit on your lap. 3 fives a 15, wave hello, hi. 3 6 a 18, wiggle slow. 3 sevens a 21, stomp your feet. 3 eights a 24, move to the beat. 3 nines a 27, spin around. 3 tens a 30, touch the ground. Now we've learned the table of 3. Great job, friends, count with me. 3 6 9 12, let's go. 9 15 18, watch us grow. 21 24, sing today. 27 30, hooray, hooray. The table of 3 is easy to say.
Oh, call me, kids!